poorest body. What are you saying, Hamza? Welcome to the Donkey London channel. S15 looking pimp. What did John do to the tyres?
Fucking shredded it. She's a juicy girl.
Hamza and I are going to be going to a little meet in North London. It's the Empire meet tonight. I think they do a few skids at the end of the night, don't
What are you doing, brother? Sick.
There's the old 15. It did overheat in about 2 seconds. This is a man that was doing a few little nuggets. What's the power on this?
Alright, so 472 flywheel, 441 wheel.
What turbo is it?
Garrett, Gen 2.
Gen 2, nice. So it's quick spooling as well.
Yeah.
Sick. And then the motor?
M54B30.
And forged?
Nah, man. Bigger head studs, decompression plate, re-gap the rings for turbo tolerance, ACL bearings, ARB bolts.
Fair, man. So just like a basic refresh.
Yeah. Good enough for like 550.
Oi, famous man!
Famous
Rodney in the house. We're saying Rodders. Whoa, sketchy. LSD not found.
Nope.
And it's all very well laughing at people, but to actually come out here and do a skid in front of many people takes some balls, I'll be honest, but you're not helping yourself if you haven't got an LSD. You turn the traction off?
I've tried, last time I was working. I don't know what's wrong with it now.
You've got to make sure that traction's off and just get them wheels spinning. This is takeover vibes. Whoa, whoa! This man needs an LSD badly. Lovely car, man. This is pretty cool. Takeover micro. That looks pretty sweet, man. Nice looking E92. The one thing that's quite mad, we're kind of looking around and like everything is ULEZ friendly, isn't it? That's why you don't really see like old cars. Obviously my S15 is fully ULEZ compliant. M3 Touring. I do like these. Let me know in the comment section you're feeling the new Tourings. M3 looking pretty stunning, I must admit, in the yellow. Carbon rear spoilers, carbon rear diffuser. It's quite sort of sleeper, isn't it? It's looking a little bit dry in there, so we'll just stop off and get a little bit of water. S15's starting to, it's not dying, but it's
Thirsty.
definitely thirsty. Very thirsty girl, man. I mean, this car's come from Ibiza to like Northwest London car parks, but it's nice to kind of show skids at all levels. We've all got to start somewhere. No one's really getting harmed, you know. I do think the takeovers in America are kind of crazy. They're hitting people and stuff, but it seems to be a little bit more controlled here in the UK. Whoop, whoop. You're brave, bro. You got this. Look at that. Whee, look at that. So what have we done tonight? We've broken it in several ways. The
exhaust is not exhausting.
The turbo's hanging off. The coolant's not in there anymore, and then it started to misfire as well. But like I said, we will get it sorted.
5 minutes later.
S15 getting them pictures. We saying, broski?
Damn, my bro, what's
Absolute
good?
legend.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, the car is crazy, my guy. Damn! What?
So yeah, we just had a little gander underneath, and yeah, the diff has decided to foxtrot Oscar. The diff ain't diffing no more. So that's going to be number 4 on the list of things to fix.
Yep.
What we got? Misfire, cooling, turbo hanging off,
diff.
And now the diff's fucked. So in one night we've managed to pretty much destroy it, but we'll get it fixed. Well, you're as ripped as my car, bro. Look at this man. Seriously, man. Ibs is next level fit. JB, big shout out to him, an absolute legend. He's put us in touch with Sam's Recovery. I'm gonna chuck their Facebook up just so we can give him some love. So yeah, that's Sam's Breakdown Recovery. He's gonna very kindly send one of his low loaders along. So obviously the car's super low at the front. Oh, poor S-body. Brother, stop recognising me, man. You're making me.
I'm a subscriber, man.
Yes, brother. What are you saying?
I was going that way, and I saw the car, and I said, "You just released a video the other day. I forgot what it said."
Yeah, like doing all the mad street
Bro,
skids.
you are a sick driver.
Oh, brother, I love you, man.
Trust.
Oi, you don't want to hear what I've done to it. I broke the diff.
You're joking.
Nah, so we're waiting to get recovered at the moment, but
Oh,
it's
sorry
what it
to
is.
hear that.
What am I doing, man? I'm not hugging you.
You're one of my heroes.
Oi,
man.
oh,
I'm
man.
telling you, brother.
No, you make me
My wife
blush.
cusses me all the time. Oh, we watching this fucking shit for? It's like, bro, have you seen this man drive? Then when she sees you drive, she's like, wow.
Well, hopefully now you meet me. I'm just a normal geezer.
No, I know, man. The way you
Yeah,
are,
yeah.
you're humble.
Yeah.
I love what
I'm
you're
from
doing,
the-
man.
I'm
I
from the
hope
ground.
you get large, man.
Big respect, brother.
Trust me.
Appreciate it,
you're
man.
a king, man.
Tony, very
Yeah,
good to meet
I
you,
had to
brother.
pick you up, man.
Thank you, man.
All right?
Wait.
Go safe, bro.
And you. You're my knight in shining armour tonight, brother. Look at that. We've got the low loader. Obviously, the bumper's quite low on this, so yeah, we're just going to pull her down. I'm going to serenade you. Yeah? Yeah, don't tell your wife. So yeah, we're going to wrap that video up tonight. I hope you guys have enjoyed this cheeky little episode. We're going to chill with our man Albert.
Yeah.
Absolute legends. And we're going to get the car back, and then yeah, next week you'll probably see me taking it down to CM Customs. Much love from me, much love from Hamza, much love from Albert. And yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Peace.
Right.